guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening one of these again. So let's start opening. Oh, we got an avocado. There's no accessories. They're not going to do this today. We're going to make accessories. So we're going to... A bucket and a mop. That was on me. That's gross. You stay there. We're going to make one like the size of a thumb. Okay. Grown hands. I couldn't have used like an inch of tape, right? Yeah, we're doing a lot of laminating tape. Now I can't open it, but I could have like used an inch of tape, but I was too lazy. Caillou. Okay, so since it didn't come with any accessories for this avocado, we're gonna make some because I want my avocado to be happy. And by the way, it already has an accessory on, so I don't really need one. But we are still. Okay. Look at all this now. I think I need this picture. So, okay, so all you're gonna do is just cut out the little list. Just like this. Okay, so officially it worked, but we gotta color in it because this is supposed to be hair. Ooh, got the bangs. Nah, he's gonna look ugly. He needs to look better. Anything in my hair? Oh yeah, I'm gonna do it. Don't use any. Oh. Should I say, anyways, no, you wanted us to meet me. Okay, look at this accessory that I made. It's like it's a hat. I'm go on the top. Make it drop somebody over. Okay, we need to make another one of these because these are going to be wings. Okay, we're going to put it carefully inside of this little package. Okay. We're gonna go with... Ooh, I picked a good one. Nope. What kind of shit? I don't care. Ooh, I made a Christmas tree. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing. Nope. Okay. Ew. Sticking to me. Mama. Ooh, we need a couple more spots. Okay, we just made this other wing. It looks perfect. Put it in. It doesn't matter if they're not matching. Timing, all about lining, all about timing. On my ears, you are so beautiful to me. Can't you see? Honey said, there. We made it. Okay. Okay, we're gonna let this dry because we're doing a mystery. Okay, so while we wait, I got some stuff in here, and it's dry. The accessories, so let's put it inside. Mommy? Yes, we need the bottom. Pop it in a trap, this bird. Pop it in a trap, this bird. Okay. Hooray. We have a bag right here. You have a bag right here. I'm just gonna put this in. Ooh. I got my squishy. I'm gonna put it in the bag. Just like how normal people do it. No. Guys, I accidentally broke it. Oh, God. Fine. We have some laminating tape right here. Let me fix this. Here. Okay, so this bag is not going to work. But at least we can, like, kind of put it in. But it needs to be in. Okay, we're gonna make our own bag. Okay, so I can't find any bags, so let's try to use a paper bag. Goodbye, stuffing. It needs to go somewhere else. Pikachu? Okay. Bong, some bug. And a bucket and a mop with some bug. Avocado. Yeah. Banger, triangle, doo. I'm guessing that I've grown horns. Baby, just don't let home. But I'm dang-a-doo. No. Bang-a-doo. I'm a big like a dang-a-doo. Okay, so this is gonna be our, the front. Okay, so all we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut out the shape. Does that look good? Oh yeah, it does. No one will ever notice. And a bucket and a mop. Do some boom. I'm gonna get rid of all this air. Okay, so this does not have any air in it, so I'm guessing that I've grown horns. Maybe if I just squeeze it. No. That's just some bow. Yeah, this is gonna be our main background. The accessories. Alright, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be opening this again. So we need to okay, so we got the items. Just wash off. But we have the items that are gonna go with our little, pet. We're gonna cut that open. To drop the system. No, I didn't. Sorry.
No, I'm not getting that. Nope. Yeah. Nope. You're 4.
What do we get? What do we get? That's hard. That's harder than I expected. Just gonna run. You know, we're gonna cut the sides because I don't feel like doing this. I'm tired. Oh, wait, I see the item. Well, it looks like we got little wings. We got wings. They're so cute. Okay, so we got wings. So let's put them on. What do we get? What do we get? What do we get? Avocado.
Good thing. Oh, yeah, because there's no internet right now.
Okay, so we're going to tape these items to the items.
Can you shut it off? It's connected to the TV.
Okay.
We don't have internet.
Let's just.
There's something right now.
I'm gonna just tape the items. Oh my god, that looks so good. That's one wing. Just need this one. Simba.
Using the internet. On my girl on your phone internet.
Okay, so we gotta tape that one. That's hard. Someone. Look at these wings, they're so cute. So we've made the wings, but we need to make a hat because, it's like end of Christmas. So we need to make a hat. Let's see what kind. I got 26. Okay, so we can cut out this paper. Okay, so we got 4/7. We're gonna make the hat, so I'm gonna put out a shape. Do so rockin', so rockin'. Okay, so. Okay, we're just gonna color in this hat. I guess this is like the only color I have. By the way, I have to shower. Dang it, dang it, dang, dang, dang it. Yeah. Somebody, what? Somebody. Is that brown? Yeah, it is. Okay. Somebody. This is somebody. And put it in the mouth. Okay, should be looking done. So our hat is done. So we're gonna cut this out. So there's like different papers with names on them. And then you have to try to guess what paper you get. And I got a spin. Wait, actually, comment down below. What did I say? Oh my god, look at the hat. Now, since we got these wings on, we're gonna put the hat on. Okay. Okay, so we got the hat on. He's so cute. He has these little wings. And he has his hat. Comment down below, what should I add to this? Ooh, that's a good idea, guys. You've been wanting me to add legs, so I'm going to add legs. And these are the wings. They don't have arms. And they have a hat. So let's add legs. What kind of paper will I get? Ooh, 3/7. Okay, so we're gonna cut these out like leg shapes. And get it on that missing bow. So it's gonna wear that. That's it. Would that look good? You know what? We gotta make it skinnier. I don't want to make it too skinny. We're just gonna get out of shape. Ooh, that's a good leg right there. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna color that. So sometimes I'm gonna color it. So rocking. So locking. Not talking. Buddy. Okay, so we made our leg. I didn't have enough time to do stripes because that would take a long time. So we're gonna tape on the first one. You're like, you gotta put them in blind like Scarlett. I'm not, because this is my decision. You know what, we're gonna be like using a lot of tape. Look at this. Look at this leg, oh my god. You know what, we're gonna cut it a little bit short. His leg is getting a haircut. And then we're gonna make the bottom of his leg brown. Because, you know, that'll look good. Some done, buddy. Like when we squeeze it. So we had a hat, wings, and a leg. What should we add next? Oh, another one? Avocados don't even have legs, but we can make another one. I need to add way more. Because, you know, like, this is a big squishy. Yeah, it is. Look at like the size of my head almost. Okay, so we're going to make... Okay, what kind of... Oh, this is A2. Okay, perfect. We're going to cut it into the leg shape. Or we're just going to cut it into the bottom. Comment down. Yeah, gotta make it so it's like really small because this squishy is like as big as my head almost. It's like almost as big as my head. One time I went to Rite Aid and they had a doll that was like the size of the head was like the size of my head. So rockin'. Hell talking. Okay, the last color. So rockin'. Hell talking. They're like, oh my gosh, they could be different. They can marry each other. No. Okay, so we are gonna make that. You're probably wondering, I do have the hiccups. I don't have the hiccups. So, yeah. So rockin'. That's rockin'. Okay, so we had hat, wings, and legs. What should we add next? A smiley. Look, it already has a smile. I need to go show my mom this. Okay. Bye guys, peace for more.